Today in the grain markets, soybeans were higher. Improved trade negotiations. Is it actually happening? There has been a lot of talk about that perhaps something is going to start to happen this month. But time will tell. We don't know for sure. Fundamentally, all the numbers really remain the same. The USDA report is coming in on Friday. It should be somewhat neutral. I think that's why we saw that the rally in the market today in soybeans really started to tone down a little bit and maybe pull back, but it still was higher. So we have to watch that overall. Corn was easier today. There's better weather, and that's advancing the harvest. Of course, that's going to improve the numbers, which will definitely put pressure on the futures prices. Friday's WASDE report is expected to be a little bit bearish for corn, and I think that's why, as we got later into the day, there was a little more pressure on the market, pushing it down almost 6 cents right now. Well, it certainly looked like $4 was the number. We got above that, and then that's it. The market kind of like turned south from there. But the futures should remain pretty stable for the rest of the week, right up until the report that comes out on Friday. Wheat was also lower. The funds were adding to their short position right now. Technical numbers really point lower overall, and more news would have to be required for this market to turn back around and start to move up on the upside. But the momentum really is down, and let's not forget that the $5 mark really remains as a big support level for futures. So it's going to take a while before we're able to bounce off that or get through it and then start to move this market lower. But all bets are off at this point right now, because it certainly looks like if the trade deal does happen in the next couple of weeks or so, that we're going to see the market, a lot of volatility across the board for all the grains and livestock as well. So we have to watch that closely. Anytime any news that comes out of the White House is definitely going to start to affect these markets at this point.